Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Discord. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, you have to install an authenticator application on your mobile device. You can launch your App Store or Google Play Store according to your device and then simply install the application. So in my case, I'm just going to launch App Store here. Okay. So in my case, I have simply installed Google Authenticator app. Now after this, just open Discord application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, simply tap on the option that says You. Okay, here we go. Now once you are here, simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you come here, simply tap on the option of Account. Now with that, you'll come to this page. Now simply tap on Enable Authenticator app that you see on this page. Now over here, you have to enter your password in order to move forward. And after you have entered your password, simply tap on the option of OK. Now over here, what you have to do is, you have to download and install Authy or Google Authenticator for your phone or tablet. So as I said earlier, I have installed Google Authenticator on my mobile device. Now simply tap on Next. Now you have to copy this key code that is given here. Now simply tap on the option of Copy in order to copy this key code. Now as the key code has been copied to your clipboard, simply tap on Next. Now in order to enter the code, let's open the Authenticator application. Now once you are here, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the option of Enter a setup key. Now you can type any name in the field of account name. For instance, I'm just going to type Discord here. Now simply paste the key that you had copied earlier. You can also select the type of key, which is time-based or counter-based. So for instance, I'm just going to choose time-based and then tap on Add at the bottom. Now simply tap on the security key of the account's name that you had entered earlier in order to copy it. So you can see it is copied. Now let's go back to our Discord application. Now over here, simply tap on Allow Paste. And with that, you will automatically be led to this page. If you wish to, you can also enable SMS authentication, which means that your security code will be sent to your text SMS on your mobile device. Now after this, simply tap on the option of Done at the bottom. With that, you can see that your two-factor authentication on Discord has successfully been added. So this is it for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.